Hey, it's Steve L, and today I'm at Sony Pictures Studios here in Culver City, California, and I'm on the back lot, and you know, this is totally me living my dream, and I wanted to give you a little insight into that. And you know, this back lot, this used to be MGM Studios, the world famous, the legendary MGM Studios was located on this back lot, but now it is Columbia Pictures, and you can see this is the executive building behind me. That's called the Thalberg building, and that's where all the executives are who make all the movies here at the studio. And I wanted to tell you that, you know, for me, this was a very unlikely place for me to wind up, because me personally, I didn't even graduate high school, and had to go to summer school for the most part in order to get out of there, and went to a couple colleges, but never gave up, always stayed pursuing my dream, and just kept doing the work, even though there were a lot of difficult times. A lot of times, you know, I wasn't sure about what I was doing or what I needed to do, and you know, you go through a lot of struggles inside your own head, because you're not sure. You're not sure if you're capable actually of living your dream. You know, you can have a dream, but will you actually achieve it? That can be a scary thing. But you have to try. You have to go for it, and I hope I'm an inspiration. And if you fail at something, you just keep going, all right? And you wind up here. Actually, you wind up over here. I'll show you where you wind up. Right there, gold statues. There's some gold statues for Bridge on the River Kwai, looks like. Social Network. So this used to be the MGM back lot, and they filmed Singing in the Rain here and a lot of other great films. And that building I showed you earlier, that was the executive building back there. That was used as Peter Parker's high school in Spiderman. Studio store here. Oh. Got some picture cars over here. Got the Ghostbusters cars. Who are you gonna call, baby? Look at that. Cool. It's a Cadillac version. Let's see what we got down here. Okay, this is probably from some movie. Quite sure of that. Got a race car here. Okay. You tell me where this comes from. That's Talladega Nights. Talladega Nights, right? Yeah, see? Yeah, what about that one? You know that one? Is it Water Boy? Wait.
I can't remember that one.
Which one's that?
No, I can't remember that one.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
How's your day? Everything good?
Good, good. And yours?
Great, fantastic. Have a good one. Oh, that's fun. Ghost Corp. Right on. Alright, moving through the lot here. See, these buildings are, some of them are kind of old. You can see they're brick. Kind of old brick. It's the David Lean building. Okay. promoting that movie. In the back of the studio, they have all the sound stages, which are just big cavernous buildings where they film all the TV shows and movies. Screen Jen's office. Show you one of these sound stages over here. Pretty amazing. Studio directory. Shot there. It's like a prop department or something inside one of the sound stages. Okay, look at these doors. Quite amazing. Okay, over here, this is where they have all the producer deals. So they have a lot of deals with talent, like Adam Sandler, and this is his company over here, Happy Madison. It's Adam Sandler's company. See back there, this big sound stage is back there, stage 25 back there. Right, one of the stages they filmed Spiderman on. And then you can see these big doors here that lead into the sound stage. Pretty massive. Massive doors. And these old sound stages back when it used to be MGM. We got ghosts and we got legends here in the back lot. They filmed Singing in the Rain, and it took Fred Astaire 40 times before he got the dance right. So remember that if you're trying to do things in your life, it just doesn't happen the first time, no matter how talented you might be. It might take a whole bunch of tries until you figure it out. But the key is not to stop. The key is to just keep trying, just like Astaire did. He didn't stop dancing. He got it right on the 41st try. Oh, get run over by one of those. How are you? Shark Tank sign. Okay. There's an old kind of brick building. More TV shows. The Wheel of Fortune shoots over here. Yeah, that's Wheel of Fortune soundstage right here. Huh. Check this out. Ooh. Oh, that's the Wheel of Fortune set. There's the car. There's a palm tree. Yep. This is where they do the wheel. How you doing, man? Wheel of Fortune, huh?
Oh, yeah.
The legend, baby.
Yeah.
You working on the show?
Yeah.
Good for you, man. Good work. The size of this place. Look how big this place is. Stages are so big. It's incredible. So most of these are like the original sound stages from MGM. So like I said before, a lot of ghosts, a lot of legends hanging around here. It's got a great energy, the Hollywood energy. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed your walking tour of Sony Pictures Studios, formerly the MGM backlot in Los Angeles, California. Technically Culver City. I'm Steve L. Talk to you soon.